Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove background from a picture. So let's start it. At first insert a picture here. Okay. And then click on format menu, then click remove background option. So here we see that it's already removed background and just keep the area. So if I want that extra area to keep in my picture, then I need to click mark areas to keep, and then I just need to click or drag them. Okay, just drag them. Okay, just click keep changes. Okay, that's it. It's easily remove background from this picture. Thank you.